Hello and welcome to Zoho CRM. In this video, we will see how Zoho CRM smartly solves one of the biggest challenges faced by the sales reps every day to engage with the leads, turn them into prospects, and convert them into business. As a sales representative, you reach out to customers by sending out emails. Some emails are read, some remain unread, some emails are moved to trash, and some end up in the spam folder. Another way you get in touch with your customers is to call them over by phone. Certain calls go unanswered, some do not reach, and some customers are engaged with a different call. Following up with prospective customers at the right time makes all the difference, doesn't it? In order to find the available and interested prospects and to have an effective communication with them, you need to have an insight on how and when exactly your customers engage with you through various channels. Customers open your email, they may click on a link in it, and may also send you a reply from it. They like your organization's Facebook page or comment about your product in it. They mention you on Twitter or send you a direct message through it. They could also visit your website to know more about your product. And they may also respond to a survey that you send. Now, monitoring all your customer interactions through various channels is a difficult task. To make this process simpler and to avoid switching between multiple tools, we have introduced a distinctive feature called Sales Signals. Sales Signals in Zoho CRM keeps you informed about your customer interactions real time across multiple channels. The bell icon at the right top corner will instantly notify you about the customer actions and help you keep track on all your customer activities by displaying them in an organized timeline. Each notification will give you enough details to take a quick glance at what is important to get going. You can always click on the notifications to get more details related to the records. Let us check the notification from Ann Smith. She has sent an email. You can click on View Email option to see the content of the email and send her an instant response by clicking on the reply button. Now look at this notification from James. The icon denotes that he has filled in a survey that was sent to him. You can click on the notification and click on View Response to check the survey instantly, which he has filled. Let us also take a look at another notification that has been received from Minna. The icon denotes that it is an email insight notification. The notification has been received because the customer has opened the email which was sent and she has clicked on a link in the email as well. This customer has engaged with you and looks like she is an interested prospect. Let me also quickly show you a social notification received from Mr. Watson Hale. He has mentioned you in his tweet. Just click on the notification to see the message and respond to this customer right away. Can you see how these real-time notifications shown in the sales signals makes you engage with the interested customers quickly? Now let us see how to set up this great feature. Click on the wrench icon at the right top corner to click on Setup and click on Sales Signals under Channels. In the Sales Signals settings page, turn the required settings on or off. Choose the sales signals that are important to you. Turn the less important sources off and reduce the clutter and click Save to finish the setup. Sales Signals has now given you the insights on customer activities for an effective customer engagement. We have now seen how you can engage with prospective customers in real time. We will also see how some smart business predictions can make your selling easier. The smart predictions are made by the revolutionary feature called Zia. Zia in Zoho CRM can understand your customers' behavior proactively and deliver key business information such as a sales prediction, suggestions, and also alerts. Zia is an AI-driven sales assistant for Zoho CRM and is placed at the lower right corner of your CRM screen. Just click on the Zia icon to see what she wants to tell you. She shows you the sales prediction and also tells you how your sales is performing. As the prediction says that the sales revenue is lower than last month for the same period. The alert shows leads coming in from a particular source is comparatively lower. She also has a piece of advice for your users who are performing repetitive tasks. And in the attention column, she warns you that a customer would receive multiple email templates on the same day. Let us quickly see some of the other extraordinary work done by Zia. Reaching out to prospective customers at their best available time can cut down on the time it takes to follow up with them and ultimately reduce the time it takes to convert a lead or close a deal. Zia can smartly predict the best time to call or email a contact. Let's open a lead or a contact. You will be able to view the best time suggestion given by Zia in the contact detail view page. Zia suggests the best time based on actions performed by contacts either by themselves or in response to your email or call. Click on the dashboard module to see how Zia brings artificial intelligence to your CRM analytics through trend analysis. You can now see your business trends and team's performances through these trend dashboards. Besides, Zia can automatically notify you on a sudden spike or dip in your business processes. Furthermore, Zia smartly suggests macros based on your CRM activities that you perform and also helps you with workflow-related notifications to ensure no two workflow-based email templates overlap with one another. Zia and Sales Signals combined together facilitate the best customer engagement platform. They help you deliver the customer needs on time. It is time for you to set up these extraordinary features and enjoy selling. Should you have any questions, please do write to us at support@zohocrm.com. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a good day.